Hello guys, Mr. John 25 here. And before I say anything else about this, I want to say whoever it was that got this video 9 years ago, today 166 likes and this many views, thank you. I don't know, somebody said something, said Kayne Pixels. I don't know if it was this person originally. Somebody said that and I had said, is that the name of the song? And then all of a sudden, all these likes came about from somebody that had commented on this video, I think it was, that has all these likes now. And like, look at the views, and it's like 9 years ago, it didn't have that many, and like now it does. Anyway, I just wanted to shout out to whoever it was that said that originally. Just thank you for making this video so popular, and I guess getting more subscribers. I don't know, couldn't really tell, but anyway, so going back to this, yes, you all know this is me doing a review of the Laffun Head Tyrolean Yodeler head toy. Anyway, so this is the box. The box contains one Laffun Head trademark, Tyrolean Yodeler stock number 50, manufactured in Republic of Korea by the nuts at BB Products Co. in Culver City, California, and there's zip code. And it doesn't really have anything else. It's just a plain old box that they kept it in. But anyway, so the one that I have in here is the one I had restored for like a couple years ago. So originally this one I got in the video that I just showed you. I had gotten off eBay, and I can't remember how much I paid for it originally, but I got it for like not like 100. It might have been like $85 or something. And so this was my first original one I got, and then a couple years later I took it apart and was trying to fix it because the gears broke in it, and one of the gears that made the tongue move stopped working. So then I had to fix that, and I did make a video of this being repaired, where it says I fixed my Laffun Head Yodeler toy. So you can go check that out too. I'll leave a link in the description of that one too. And then I finally fixed it a couple years later, and now here it is. I had to adjust the tie a little bit, so now when you pull down, it doesn't pull down all the way. You have to kind of tug it, like really tug it to get it to go down. Because I was trying to, when I put it back together, I was trying to tie the tie back around the piece that you pulls to make the yodeling go off, and it was really hard to do, believe it or not. But anyway, here it is, all restored and everything. Well, here's the tie. I've got the tie from the video that you saw from Kayne Pixels. Pull down firmly. That Kayne Pixels meme or whatever is just unbelievable. I don't know how that started, but again, unbelievable. Anyway, here's the head itself. Pretty detailed head here, plastic, and then the hair. You can pose the hair. You can have it stick out like that, or like that if you want it, or you can just have it down like that. It's posable. The hat here had a little stain on it and some dust because I had it in storage after I fixed it up. But otherwise, it's really hard to tell. But it's a dark green hat. It almost looks like black, but it is a dark green. So there is a little bit of white and black in her hair. But anyway, this one yodels, and it does not spit anymore where the spitting part would go. The bulb in that dried out, and I haven't been able to fix the bulb in it. So I just figured I'd just have it working without the bulb spitting, because it doesn't really need to spit, honestly, in my opinion. Anyway, here's the back of it. This is basically just what it looks like. There's where the battery goes, and there is the speed dial, that little circle thing there. It's hard to see here. Here's the seal original Peter figure. Then it says manufactured in Korea by the crazy guys. The same thing it said on the box. And there's where you would put in the water to make the Laffun Head squirt out water. And as you can see, I did restore that part right there. That piece is where the thing goes to make the Laffun Head go off. And then there's another. They put a lot of stickers on like 2 stickers on it just because they wanted to make sure you knew that they made it anyway. So yeah, there's not much else to say about it other than here he is. Let me go ahead and put a battery in it, and we'll see what he does. Alright, here we go. So like I said, I did have to fix the tie a little bit, so it does take a little bit more of power to power it on, but so you gotta kind of pinch it, and that resets the record, and then you just let it go. remind you of anything. But yeah, I'm gonna hang them up on the wall so we can see it better, so it's not just like laying down. All right, a little better, I guess. We'll see.